Class 1, Chapter 6, Honest Granny, Exercise A. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Who was Granny? What kind of a girl she was? Granny was a little girl. Granny had satisfaction inside her and she was honest and sincere girl. Okay. Question number 2. Why was her father unable to fulfill basic needs? Her father got insufficient wages as to fulfill their needs. Question number 3. Who offered bread to the poorest children and why? The answer is rich and wealthy landlord offered bread to poorest children. Number 4. How did the children reacted to be served? The children wanted the largest loaf, the snatched, pushed, pulled and hit one another. Next, question number 5. What made the granny and her mother surprised? Granny and her mother surprised to see a number of gold coins fell down. Number 6. What did the landlord say to Granny when she returned gold coins to him? The landlord smiled and said, "No, lovely child, it's not mistakes." The landlord put it Granny's back in appreciations and gave the gold coins as a reward of her honesty. Okay. Next, B. Take the correct options. Granny's father worked in fields. Number 2. She belonged to a poor family. Number 3. There was a severe drought for 2 years. Number 4. The landlord was kind and generous. Number 5. Each child wanted the largest loaf of bread. Next, working with words. A. Make new words by joining ly to each word given below. यहाँ पे आप लोगों को ज्वाइन करना है ly वर्ड्स. ओके. कॉस्ट का कॉस्टली, कलेक्टिव का कलेक्टिवली, टाइम्ड का टाइमली, सैड का सैडली, हैप्पी का हैप्पीली, क्विक का क्विकली. Okay, next B. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Granny had satisfaction inside her. Number 2. She was honest and sincere girl. Number 3. There was scarcity of food and everything of basic needs. Number 4. This process continued for many days. Number 5. Her mother became surprised and a little worried too. सी यूज दिस वर्ड्स इनटू योर ओन सेंटेंस. यहाँ पे आप लोगों को इन वर्ड्स से एक सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट करना है. ओके. नंबर 1 वर्ड इज insufficient. His salary is insufficient to meet his needs. Number 2, landlord. The landlord come around to collect the month's rent. Number 3, process. We are in the process of selling on our house. Reward. She earned a reward for all of her hard work. Rust. They rushed suddenly into the village. Vocabulary enrichment. Next, a right pair of words. Number 1, fork and knife, lock and key, chair and table. Number 2, shoes and socks, cup and saucer, bread and jam. Okay. Next, match the words almost with their related words. यहाँ पे आप लोगों को मैच करना है. Okay. Mistake का error, rush का run, costly का expensive, income का money and scarcity का shortage. Next, grammar enrichment. A. Write the opposites of the following. Kind का quarrel, QURELL. Okay. Number 2, poor का rich. Number 3, drought का surplus, landlord का lease, and 5, costly का cheap. Next, B. Alphabetical orders means the words begin with the first letter of alphabet is then B, C, D, Z. So here are some names of the parts of our body. Example, apple, bat, cat, dog, zebra. यहाँ पे आप लोगों को कुछ ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं. इनको आप लोगों को अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में इसे अरेंज करना है. ओके. जैसे कि टोज, आईज, फुट, रिस्ट, लिफ्ट, ये सारे वर्ड्स हैं. इन्हें आप लोगों को अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है. लाइक आर्म, बैक, cheeks, ear, elbow, eyes, face, foot, hair, head, knee, lips, mouth, neck, nose, teeth, toes and wrist. Okay, next listening and point out. यहाँ पे आप लोगों को listening and speaking skills, यहाँ पे आप लोगों को read करना है. King, sing, dish, fish, moon, noon, cape, dip, hand, sand. Okay, इस तरह से आप लोगों को इसे read करना है, complete करना है. Next B. Your friend comes to play with a new ball. Now talk to him, her. Hello, hello Ria, friend, hi. You, how are you, friend? Fine, and you? Next, writing skills. As a reward of her honesty, Granny got the gold coins. What do you think? How did she spend and what she did with them? Write in your words. यहाँ पे ऑनेस्ट ग्रानी के बारे में बात हो रही है. उसे गोल्ड कॉइन्स जो मिला है, अगर वह उसे मिला है तो वह उस चीज़ को कैसे स्पेंड करेगी. ओके, ग्रानी was honest and sincere girl. She spent reward for Granny's father had no work to do as the fields had crackers with dryness to use the rewards food. Okay, तो क्वेश्चन आंसर